If you've built a high-end audio-video system or an audio system using I2S over HDMI, you've probably heard about Wireworld's Platinum Starlight HDMI cable. This was the industry's first truly audiophile-grade HDMI cable using 4N solid silver conductors. The new iteration, the Platinum Starlight 48, is an HDMI 2.1 48 gigabit per second spec cable that uses that 4N solid silver conductor with silver-clad contacts for the greatest conductivity of any HDMI cable. It also uses our new Unipath internal design. Unipath simply yields greater low-level resolution than any other HDMI cable. You'll hear deeper into quieter passages and just get more information. Composite X3 is the quietest insulation in the market, and that yields tremendous dynamics and imaging and sound staging capabilities well beyond what most HDMI cables are capable of. Again, if you've got a flagship type system using HDMI, you owe it to yourself to try the Platinum Starlight 48 from Wireworld.